दोस्तों उम्मीद है
पूरी में पाडो वठी आयो देखो
Hello everyone, we welcome you here and we have came in a shopping mall and
असां हिकु ॾेखारींदा कि भूरी में पाडो हथ कयो आहे असां उहो तव्हांखे ॾेखारींदासीं
Come here, brother, come here.
brother come here.
I'm fine. How are you? How are you?
And would you like to tell me something about what inspired you to come here in Pakistan?
Actually, the people over here is very friendly. So basically, I am here to visit people and to look at the environment and look to stay over here or invest here for my future. Found the people very friendly over here. And there's a warm country. You know, Australia.
ई माण्हू आहे उते रोज़गार कोन अथव हींअर हिते कणकुनि जे चकर में हिते आयो आहे लाभारो कंदो
So basically you like the
Yeah, I like the
people
environment
are
over here. I like the atmosphere over here. People are very friendly and
hospitable.
Yeah. So good hospitalization.
So basically this man has come from Russia across the way to visit the Pakistan. He told us that people here, the brown people here are very much kind and hospital here. And I would like to ask you another thing from you.
Yes,
so
sure.
did you find the difference between girls here? Like is there any difference between like they are kind to the men or they are arrogant? They don't like to talk with the people or with the stranger.
Pakistan is Pakistan is a Muslim country, so there is a difference. Australia is everything is open over there. You have beaches over there. The people are friendly, like another level. So in Pakistan, girls are quite beautiful, so they don't interact with people so fluently.
इंटरेक्टिव न ॾाढो कयो अफगानिस्तान अच्छो बुरको पाए घुमाइनि था माइनि
that you have come in a shopping mall. So what do you want to buy from here?
T-shirts.
Related
collar t-shirts. I like collar t-shirts.
Okay, collar t-shirts.
Yeah.
तो हिते पंजाब में नौकिरी मिली आहे तारू साफ़ करण जी ॾींहं राति जो तारू साफ़ कंदो आहे
भाऊ रशिया जो हिते बेसिकली शॉपिंग करण आयो आहे इन जो चवण आहे त जेको आहे हितां जो एनवायरनमेंट आहे वग़ैरह उहो माना काफ़ी पसंदि आहे. How long have you been here in Islamabad?
Like 1 month.
1 month.
So in my month of Holy Ramadan, I came here.
So do you have any other plan to stay more here, or you gonna be going to?
I'll be going before Eid. Maybe I'll be staying on Eid over here.
We would like to invite you to celebrate this great Eid with us. Especially
definitely.
we would invite you to come.
I have to plan. I am planning to stay here over Eid, so that I can look the environment over here on Eid.
We can invite you also in a Sindh. If you would like to come in a Sindh, we would welcome you,
I'll
warmly welcome you. He has a lot of land in Sindh. He has 64 acres in Sindh. He is planning to invite any person from out of the country.
असांखे लाभारे लाइ माण्हू खपनि लाज़मी असांखे लाभारे लाइ घुराईंदासीं न कंहिंखे असांखे गुॾनि लाइ लाभारे लाइ ॿियो बि सारियूं काफ़ी शयूं डर कीअरनि खे माण्हू खपनि उहे काथां आणी अहिड़ा असां हुते घुराईंदासीं उन्हनि खे बदिराईंदासीं उन्हनि जे माइटनि खां पाण पैसा वठंदासीं.
village you come with your friends and with your
You can come with the family as well. We are very hospitable and we would like to join our family to
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'll definitely. I have some other plans, but I'll manage to come with you. I'll definitely come.
रिश्तो भजी तो करा लीजिए असांखे.
Thank you so much for joining us in this video. And you can watch this video on the Graduate Idiot pages.
Okay.
We are also on the Facebook page, on the TikTok, and you can watch us on the YouTube as well.
Okay. Thank you
so much.
So nice meeting you.
Nice to talk to you.